Welcome to Unit 8, Acids and Bases. In this lesson, we will build a foundational understanding of acids and bases, what they are, how they behave, and how we classify them in chemistry. Let's start with the definitions. Arrhenius definition. The Arrhenius definition is the most traditional one. Acids are substances that increase the concentration of hydrogen ions, H+, in aqueous solution. Bases are substances that increase the concentration of hydroxide ions, OH-. Example: HCl is an acid because it dissociates in water to give H+. NaOH is a base because it dissociates in water to give OH-. This definition works well for strong acids and bases in water, but it's limited to aqueous solutions and does not cover all acid-base reactions. Bronsted-Lowry definition. The Bronsted-Lowry definition is a broader and more useful for AP chemistry. An acid is a proton donor, a base is a proton acceptor. This definition applies to a wider variety of reactions, including those that don't happen in water. Example: in the reaction between ammonia, NH3, and water, NH3 accepts a proton from H2O and becomes NH4+. So NH3 is the base and H2O is the acid. This leads us to the idea of conjugate acid-base pairs. A conjugate acid-base pair consists of two substances that differ by just one proton, H+. The conjugate base is what's left after an acid donates a proton. The conjugate acid is what forms when a base accepts a proton. Example: in the reaction HA plus H2O double arrow H3O plus A minus, HA is the acid and A minus is its conjugate base. H2O is the base and H3O plus is its conjugate acid. Understanding these pairs help us predict the direction of equilibrium and the strength of acids and bases. Amphoteric substances. Some substances can act as both acids and bases depending on the situation. These are called amphoteric. Example: water is a classic amphoteric substance. It can donate a proton, acting as an acid, or accept a proton, acting as a base. This dual role is essential in acid-base chemistry. Key takeaways: use the Bronsted-Lowry definition on the AP exam. Acids donate protons, bases accept protons. Identify conjugate acid-base pairs in every reaction. Know what it means to be amphoteric. If you found this helpful, this was just a small part of a full in-depth chemistry course I created. In the full course, you will find structured lessons, downloadable resources, practice problems, and quizzes to really master the material. Check the link in the description to start learning the full course today. I would love to see you inside.